What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down.
So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. So I'm back with a video of how you can do your natural makeup tutorial. I know you're thinking red lips and natural makeup tutorial. What I personally think is that you should apply a lip color of your choice. Like, I don't think that nudes are only for everyday basis. Like, if you're comfortable with reds on an everyday basis, you can just go for it. You can use any lip shade, just the base will remain the same, and you can just order with any lip shade, whichever you feel like. I sometimes feel like wearing nudes, sometimes I feel like reds and deep plum colors, so it's just your personal choice. Whichever color you feel like you want, you can just use it. And yeah, this is pretty much what I have came out with. This wouldn't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes, like for an everyday basis. I have not applied foundation all over my face or anything like that. So yeah, without further more ado, if you want to know how I created that makeup look, keep watching. But before that, you need to subscribe to my channel and also click on the tiny notification bell button, and also comment down below what type of more videos do you guys want, and I'll be surely doing it. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
So I hope you like this video. So this is what I came out with. I hope you like this video, and yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So till the next video, bye bye, take care.